You're watching the Weiss channel. Today we're going to be modeling quantities. Doesn't that sound hard? No. Don't worry about the words, the terms. We're just going to do the problems. Okay? So it says, Perla walked a total of 12 kilometers by making 3 trips to school. How many trips will... Beth, what am I smoking here? That's crazy. How to fix that? It's got to say Perla, right? So how many trips will Perla have to make in all to walk a total of 20 kilometers? Well, all right. So there's 2 ways to do this. One way is to say, well, 12 kilometers in 3 trips, just put 12 kilometers over 3 trips. And then to do 20 kilometers, does 20 go on the top or on the bottom? Well, it goes on the top, right? Because if you have kilometers on top over trips, then you're going to have kilometers on top over trips. So now you just cross multiply. 3 times 20 is 60. 60 divided by 12 is 5. There's your answer. You could just say this. If Perla walked a total of 12 kilometers by making 3 trips, isn't that 4 kilometers per trip? So how many trips will it take her to go 20? Well, 4 times what is 20? Well, 5. That's the other way to do it. Giselle bought 15 souvenirs in 3 days. Wasn't that 5 souvenirs per day? Yes. So how many days will she have to spend on vacation before she'll buy 20 souvenirs? Well, at 5 souvenirs per day, it'll take her 4 days because 5 times 4 is 20, right? Or you could say 15 souvenirs over 3 days equals 20 souvenirs over X days. 20 times 3 divided by 15 is 4. Lucas read a total of 6 books over 2 months. Isn't that 3 books a month? So if he has read 18 books, how many months has he been reading? Well, at 3 books a month, it'll take him 6 months because 3 times 6 is 18, right? Or 6 over 2 equals 18 over x. 2 times 18 divided by 6 equals 6. Okay. Jabari's office recycled a total of 6 kilograms of paper over 3 weeks. 6 kilograms over 3 weeks is 2 kilograms per week, right? After 7 weeks, how many kilograms of paper will his office have recycled? Now this one's different, right? Because now at 2 kilograms per week, at 7 weeks, you don't divide here, now you multiply. You have to say 2 times 7 is 14. Okay. Or you say, well, 6 kilograms over 3 weeks is 2 weeks. Well, or just do this. 6 kilograms over 3 weeks equals X kilograms over 7 weeks. And you do 6 times 7 divided by 3 gives you 14. Olivia took a total of 10 quizzes over 2 weeks. Isn't that 5 per week? After 3 weeks, how many quizzes will she have taken? This time you got to do 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 5 times 3 is going to be 15 quizzes. Okay. Or 10 over 2 equals x over 3, and you do 10 times 3 divided by 2. That also gives you 15. Raphael prepared 12 kilograms of dough after working 2 hours. How much dough did he prepare if he worked 3 hours? 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 6 kilograms per hour times 3 is going to be 18. Christopher walked 25 kilometers in 5 trips. That's 5 per trip, right? After 8 trips, he went 5 times 8, right? Which is 40. Kayla jarred 10 liters of jam after 2 days. How many did she jar after 8 days? 10 liters over 2 days, that's 5 per day. So after 8 days, that's 5 times 8, which is 40. You've been watching the Weiss channel.